Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact the Animoto support. Animoto is an online video creation platform that lets you create professional videos using photos, video clips, text and music directly from your browser. And if you're facing issues like login problems, billing issues or video errors, Animoto makes it easy to contact to their support team. And in this video I'll show you exactly how to contact the Animoto support using your mobile phone step by step. First you need to open to the Animoto app and make sure you log into your account already. And if you do not have an Animoto app, you can go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and you can download it from there as well. And once you go to the Animoto dashboard, you'll see this interface over here. You need to select the settings on the bottom right. And once you select that and scroll all the way to the bottom until you find there's an option for the contact support or a submit a request. So here you need to fill out the support form. You need to enter your email address, select the issue type, billing, account, video, etc. and describe your problem clearly. And you can also attach screenshots if needed. Just beside the message there's an icon for the attachment, and once you're done you can tap on the send, and that's it. That's how you can contact to Animoto support you quickly and correctly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any confusion or trouble, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.